To my channel, I've been out shopping for some essential items and groceries, and I want to share them with you. So I got a collective haul. I got Aldi's, Dollar Tree, and Walmart. So for Aldi's, they have their red grapes on sale for 79 cents a pound. And today is Tuesday, June the 16th, and that sale ends today. So go out and get you some grapes if there's something you're interested in. 79 cents a pound. And if you're looking for some great chicken nuggets, better than Wendy's and McDonald's, in my opinion, these chicken nuggets from Aldi's with this large bag for $3.55, these are the bomb. This is my third time purchasing these, and they are great. We put ours in the oven. So of course you can put them in the microwave. I don't like to put them in the microwave. We put ours in the oven, and they are great. So if you've tried these, let me know if you like them. Yes. I picked up 3 bananas, some bacon bits, my water that I always get. I'm still drinking my water, people. I do drink a soda occasionally, a peach. I'm loving the peach soda, and I just realized I didn't stop and get one. Oh well. And I got my staple item, my whole almonds that I'm loving. I picked up 3 boxes of these, and they were $3.29. So that's it for all these. Stay tuned for Walmart next. Walmart haul. I want to go ahead and do this so I can put my ice cream in the freezer. Got some butter pecan ice cream by Great Value. Some Auntie Mama served 32 ounce. Some Hawaiian Punch. I know this large thing was $1.98. The price is what got me on that one. Got me some Ruffles chips, Fruit Loops, Frosted Flakes, and some croissant, sausage, egg, and cheese croissants so I can take to work, because I'm tired of wasting my money in the cafeteria. Quality has gone down, so I start taking my breakfast and lunch. So that's it for Walmart. Stay tuned for Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree haul. Got some essential items and some food items. I'm going to go over food items first. I got this 3-pack of Sunny D. This is the orange and strawberry flavor. Orange and strawberry. So I picked these up also to pack in my lunch for breakfast. Then I picked up the Tangy Original. So that was a good buy because I saw a 6-pack of these at Walmart for $2.50. So I got mine for $2. So I saved 50 cents. Every little bit helps. And I got some coconut water. I use this to make my smoothies. Thank you to Marie's DIY for suggesting it. And I've been hooked ever since. And I picked up some Lay's Stacks, the original and cheddar. And this is new. Got some Starburst Blueberries singles to go. I'm going to try these out. Put them in my water when I get tired of drinking the regular water. It's real life over here, y'all. And I picked up some Huggy Wipes, 2 packs of those. And this is something new. I got some makeup remover sponges by Eco Style. And there are 3 in here. And you can rinse them out and reuse them. So this would be great instead of buying the cotton swabs all the time. I be trying to find ways to save money. So I picked up 2 of these. If you tried them, let me know in the comment section. And I picked up just some extra thing of earbuds to keep in my backpack. And some Dove men's soap. 2 of those. And 2 of the white Dove soaps. And I picked up some Band-Aids. And this is my staple item. Every time I go to Dollar Tree, I'm going to pick up a 4-pack of Scott regular roll tissue. And I picked up some aloe vera soothing gel. I'll be making some more hand sanitizer. And if you haven't seen that video, I'll link it in the description box. So I got 3 receipts to scan to my Fetch Rewards. I got Dollar Tree, Aldi's, and Walmart. Actually, I got 5 receipts because I found 2 receipts at Aldi just sitting on the counter. So I'll be scanning my 5 receipts to my Fetch Rewards and accumulate my points. And you know the drill. If you're not familiar with Fetch Rewards, I got a link in the description box. And use my code and you'll receive 2,000 points to get started. And what Fetch Rewards is a app that gives you so many points every time you scan your grocery receipts, and you can redeem them for a free gift card. So this is it. This is Mrs Vee. I'm going to continue to show you love, and I'm going to always help you save on some of the things you need and get some of the things you want. Thank you, and have a nice day.